Hello Rahul, good morning. Good morning Narsi. How do you do? All good my friend. You wanted to discuss the need for vertical integration in solar cell manufacturing?
That's right, Narsi. There is much talk about many Indian companies investing in solar cell manufacturing. Some of them are already making panels
And are also EPCs or developers of solar power plants. So they are already vertically integrated. Yes, an excellent observation. But what about completely new entrants into the solar power sector? Will they also need to be vertically integrated or can they be successful as a pure play solar cell maker? Good question, Rahul. The answer is surprisingly simple. Pure play solar cell makers will find it quite difficult to survive, let alone flourish.
Why is that so, Narsi? Given that the demand for solar cells will be quite high in India for the foreseeable future?
It has more to do with the nature of the demand rather than its amount alone. You see, most of the demand for solar cells and panels will come from large solar farms, many of which will be in hundreds of megawatts, and a few even thousands of megawatts. Given the fast falling rates for solar power purchase contracts,
These developers operate on very thin margins. This has a cascading effect up the value chain.
and as a result, margins will be low in most components of the value chain, including cells.
I see.
So you can easily see the rest as well. The only way solar cell makers can get decent margins and good returns on their investments is if they also make solar panels and are also solar EPCs or solar power plant developers. Such integration ensures that the margins add up at each stage and result in something substantial at the end. Interesting, Narsi. And given that the project cost for making solar panels is an order of magnitude lower than that for cells, and as EPC is an asset-light business, it makes sense to have these operations also under your umbrella, in addition to solar cell making. Along with better margins, they also ensure that you have a captive customer for your cells. Makes a lot of sense, Narsi. Thanks for these valuable insights. Happy to be of help, Rahul. All the best.